guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, I'm going to be eating the same meal every day for 5 days. So I got this idea from watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Pearson Wodzinski. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to pronounce that name. So in that video, she was eating the same meal for 5 days, her favorite meal. So my favorite meal is mokimo and chicken stew. So for this week, I'm going to be eating mokimo and chicken stew every day for 5 days. Okay, I'm kidding. I can't afford that. I'd love to do that, but I can't afford that. So instead of, as much as this video was inspired by her, I'm going to be doing the opposite of what she did. So I'm going to be eating one of my least favorite meals every day, 5 days. Let's go buy Githeri. You know what? Maybe it won't be that bad. Maybe I'm overreacting. See, in high school we used to do that all the time. Like every day. Like in the high school I was Githeri every day for lunch. And on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, we used to call it Githeri double. Githeri for lunch and supper. So, how hard can it be? How hard can it be? It's day 2, and in a shocking turn of events, I'm actually enjoying this. Why is that, you may ask? Because one, I don't have to think about what I'm going to cook. Like, I already know what I'm going to cook. So that's one benefit. The second one is it's everything in one pot. Like, it's easy. Like, I've said like way too many times in that sentence, but it's all in one pot. I just cut my onions and tomatoes and dania in one pot, and it's already boiled. This is very easy. It's taking like less than 45 minutes to cook. She's starting to think this was a good idea. Anyway, day 3. How many points do I lose if I don't go through with it today? Like, today is just one of those days when you eat indomie, you drink tea. I don't know about you guys, but some days when I don't feel like cooking, I just take tea and sleep. Like, I'm tired. I've been buying, for those 2 days, I've bought from the same woman. And there's the other shop, it's a bit far. So I'm thinking, who's going all that way to buy Githeri? So you guys will forgive me, Cindy. Anyway, let me wash utensils and then I'll see. I did end up going to the shop at around 7:30 p.m. But today I really don't feel like cooking, so I'm just putting everything together as taivania huko. Yeah, if it wasn't for this challenge, I probably would have just bought bread or fries, anything that doesn't require me cooking. Leo at least niko na chese ya githeri. Welcome to day 4. I may look happy, but I'm not. This challenge is sucking the joy out of my life. Like, yo. Anyway, no one has forced me. Anyway, I wanted to see if I can do it. Like, how resilient is I don't think that's the right word. As in, I just wanted to see how long I can commit to this. But it hasn't been bad. I expected to have like some stomach troubles, like bloating and all that, but it's been good. Actually, it's been good. But it hasn't been easy. The same way, like, I don't know how we did it in high school. Like, you know, there's the thought that like knowing what you're going to eat every day like will reduce the mental exhaustion, but no. Okay, if it was like different meals and I have a timetable, I know what I'm supposed to eat on Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, like that's better. But the same meal, But anyway, the goal was to go for 5 days. I'm in the 4th day. 1 more day to go. But I can't do it. Okay. I literally can't do it for another day. So, dear friends and family, esteemed viewers and subscribers, I quit. I quit this challenge. Today is going to be the last day, but see, I tried. 4 out of 5. That's an A. If it was an exam, I got A. I got an A in this. Why am I even worried? I got an A in this challenge. Yeah. Anyway. Today I wasn't lucky when picking an avocado, but this is a sign, guys. It's a sign that I should end this challenge, that I'm doing a good thing ending it. But anyway, I still managed to salvage some. Yeah, it's been a fun challenge. It's been a fun testing my limits and my self-control, like when I know I really don't want to eat githeri but I have to. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, especially if you made it this far. If you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.